So I will teach you how to make a hole in coconut. So before we make a hole, we should remove the plastic. I think you already know how to remove plastic. Throw it somewhere. So you see this, you have to cut like this. Cut like this. Wait, let me remember. Okay, put like this and then cut from here like this, like slowly, like slowly. So it will look like this. That means not correctly cut. You need to cut more. Okay. Once you reach here, you have to do like this and poke it from the back, like